The position of Godfather cannot be kicked out in Edo State politics. According to the governor of Edo State, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, his re-election will put an end to godfatherism in Edo State politics. From my personal point of view, I'm not saying the possibility to remove godfatherism from Edo State politics completely. Before I continue, let's educate ourselves. Godfathers is a person or group of persons, respectively, who have the political might, money, or intellectual to make someone of their interest come out victorious in an election or any political appointments for mutual benefits. From the definition above, let me leave this question here. If the re-election of His Excellency Godwin Obaseki will put an end to Godfather in Edo State politics, who is Nyesom Wike, the Rivers State Governor, to Obaseki? From your answer, I hope you understand what I am talking about. What Edo State and Nigeria need now is to pray for good Godfather and not bad ones, because politics cannot do without godfathers. Before the second tenure of His Excellency Godwin Obaseki elapsed, the governor must have conducted Edo State House Assembly and local government election. This will serve as a test to see if the governor will interfere with the primary elections process or allow others to do so. My fear is that few years ago, Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole chased out all the godfather in Edo politics for a very long time. I hope His Excellency Godwin Obaseki will not do the same. Thank you for listening to this news. Well, you have a point there anyway, but then I will say that based on what you've just said, Godfather will definitely exist, but then we should pray for a good one. I'm making use of Nyesom Wike as an example. I will tell you that Nyesom Wike is not a godfather to Obaseki. What Nyesom Wike have just done to Obaseki is giving him a helping hand. You understand now? Giving him a helping hand. Because why? Why? Is because he was the one that introduced Obaseki to PDP. You understand now? He was the one that introduced Obaseki to PDP. And why was he the one? Why is the one is because it was him that Obaseki first met. You understand now? He was the one that Obaseki first met to lay out his issue to. And laying out his issue to him ends up making Nyesom Wike to take him to the party, introduced him to the party, make the party to see reason why Obaseki should be given an opportunity. So what Nyesom Wike has just done is giving Obaseki a helping hand, a support to push on. You understand? And just like you said, having a good godfather. Okay, it now depends on what Nyesom Wike will now start seeing himself to be to Obaseki. And also, it now depends on what Obaseki will now start seeing Nyesom Wike to be to him. If Obaseki sees Nyesom Wike as his godfather, good and fine. You understand now? If Nyesom Wike now decide to start seeing Obaseki as his godson, good and fine. But I want to tell you that in as much as Obaseki is someone that goes against godfatherism in Edo State, I don't think he will want to know such in his mind. And Nyesom Wike, knowing who the kind of person that he is, will not even want to think about that. Wike is a man of discipline and he hates injustice and will always fight against it whenever he sees one. So he knows that godfatherism is not a good thing to experience or to have in any party. Take for example, he Nyesom Wike. Does he have anyone he sees as a godfather? No, he doesn't. He doesn't have anyone he sees as a godfather. He just believes that he is on his own. And he doesn't even want to know anyone. He doesn't want to know if there is anyone existing. Do you understand? You have helped someone, you forget about it. And that is the person of Nyesom Wike. And I think that is what he will be looking at. It is Oshomole and the likes, like Tinubu and others, that have such kind of thoughts. And selfish people are people that like nursing this issue of godfatherism in their mind because they want to gain from the person that they have given a helping hand. Help someone and forget about it. That is it. I'm not disputing your point. You have a point. But what I'm saying is that Nyesom Wike is not and will not want to even think about taking Ize Iyamo Obaseki as his godson. You understand? He will not even think about it and won't even want to. You understand? So let's tell ourselves the truth. Yes, Godfather exists, but not the way we are seeing it. You understand? Not the way we are seeing it. Okay? So, my viewers, I don't know what your own comment concerning all that has just been said maybe, but one thing I believe for sure is that this writer has actually made a point. But this point he has made now boils down and depends on what the leader, the governor, or the president believes